What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So in this video, we're going to talk about the microphone that Maono sent me, the USB XLR podcast dynamic microphone with the boom arm bundle, and this is the white edition. And I have to say, guys, I was very impressed with how this thing looked. First of all, we got the manual, of course, and we also got a USB-C cable with a USB-A port, which is very convenient, of course. Then a little piece of the boom arm bundle, and then the microphone itself. And it has a cool feature, I must admit. The headphone jack was something that I didn't expect it, but that is something that I really like because you don't have to then plug it in somewhere else. Just plug it in directly into your microphone, which is pretty cool. Then, of course, the final piece of the boom arm bundle itself. And that's about it, what is inside of the box. Then when everything is done, everything is set, you have it placed onto your desk. This is how it looks. Of course, I had to put in the cable as well to turn it on. And then at the bottom, you got this little button to switch or to change the RGB light. So that is, guys, the first unboxing and first impression, and I'm using it right now, as you can see on this little footage here. The microphone's right here in front of me, and I have to admit, I'm really surprised with this audio quality so far. So in the coming videos, I will be using it, and then in several weeks, a full review will come out, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review. And of course, if you got any questions about this microphone, let me know in the comment section down below. Right, that's about it. Quick disclaimer as well, this was sent to me by Maono to make a video about it, and that's about it. So no money was exchanged whatsoever. They don't see this video beforehand, so this is all my personal opinion. All right, that's it. See you in the next one. Good luck.